Climb inside the 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.